Hello, this video is about how to change the size of doors in Revit. Okay, let's see. Okay, in this plan view, I select this door. To see the sizes of this door, we can see it under the properties window. To see the sizes, here in the name also it's mentioned. If that is not mentioned, we can check it at this edit type button. Then these are the all details related to that door. Okay, I will edit the sizes. Okay, the height of the door is 6 feet and 8 inches and the width is 2.5. Okay, I will increase it up to 3.5 feet like that. Okay, now I am going to apply it. You can see that the size increase with the size I applied. Okay, like that we can change any door with its sizes. Okay, let's see this one. If I need to change it, the width is 3 feet. I enter it as 4 feet. Now it's wider. You understand? That's a way of changing the size of doors. Like that, we can change the height and we can change the thickness of wall panels too. Okay, goodbye.